Hello from Slovenia again. I have quite some colors left here and I didn't do kind of a wandering straight pour for quite some time, so I thought, okay, let's throw in those colors and do some wandering pour. So I added some yellow and I will add some copper and some pearl white and some phthalo turquoise and mint and cerulean blue and some pearl white again. Oops. And yellow. Whoop. And copper. And let's add this pearl white here that it's left in the cup. And phthalo turquoise. And I will add a little black here. And I will pour it from up high, kind of, to maybe sink a little bit. And this cerulean blue. Hope that I have enough paint. And mint. Let's throw this phthalo turquoise that is left in the cup and some yellow again. I don't know about this yellow, but I just said, okay, I will just throw these colors in and some copper. Okay. And since I have only copper left, I will just pour this copper here where I want to do my wandering straight pour. Okay, and I will pinch my cup a little bit and start, and I will pour slowly. Okay. I will tilt it a little bit, and probably I will roll a marble through, or should I just rack it a little bit with the skewer? Let's do that, because this part is really not my favorite one, so I will just do some racks. Okay. So let's tilt this. A little bit of this yellow off. And a little bit of this. And I still don't know if I like the yellow or not. No, I don't like this part. I will tilt this part off. Not, maybe not all of it. I just don't like this thing here. Okay. And one part that bothers you, and you can lose all the other nice things. I really don't know what to think about this painting. Really don't. I definitely want to do something with this yellow thing here in the middle. Just don't like it. I will follow this line that is already there. And now this part, and I will be done. Let's start here. Much better, I think. I was off. I will leave it like it is. Just a quick torch. Yes, I like it now. And take you for a close-up. So here is a close-up. And I will say, maybe I will just drag a line through here just with this part. But I'm happy with it now. Love the colors, love the effects. I love it now. So I used to do a lot of those straight pours, wandering straight pours, and I love them, so probably I will do much more of those too, because I have a lot of paint to use. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye. I love this.